Alright gang, welcome to Hansens Speed Shop. We're going to be doing another custom Hot Wheels build here today. But before I get started, just want to remind anybody who's not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. At the end of the video, comment, like, all that good stuff. Today we're going to be doing a custom Hot Wheels 1988 Jeep Wagoneer. I don't know why, but I really dig this casting. And I'm not even really like a huge Jeep guy. I just really think this is like a cool, kind of nostalgic, old school, like 4x4. And I just really like it. So I decided to do a custom. And I was thinking, like, I've never done a Jeep here on the channel. And I think, like, in my whole career of customizing 1/64 scale cars in the last like 20 years, I think I've only ever done one Jeep. So we're gonna do this one and it's gonna be sweet. So my idea for this one is to keep it kind of old school, like 1980s era. And this one actually even was, I ruined the package, but it was like a 80s series from Hot Wheels. And then I also want to kind of pay tribute to the Real Riders series that Hot Wheels did back in the 80s. So I'm thinking what I want to do on this one is we're going to do the body out in like a candy metallic kind of root beer color. And then we're going to run the old school Hot Wheels off-road style Real Rider wheels and tires. So I found this old Baja breaker van that is in super terrible condition, so I'm not going to feel bad about sourcing these wheels off of it. But the wheels itself, the tires are in super nice shape, and the rims will clean up and work out really good, and they're going to look super awesome on this Jeep. And then to make it even cooler, I found these decals on eBay. So this is going to turn this thing into a super awesome kind of 80s inspired Hot Wheels vintage inspired build. So we're going to get this thing torn apart, see what we have to work with, because I've never dealt with one of these, obviously. And then we'll get this paint stripped off, and then we can go from there. Alright gang, it's time for the final unveil on our 88 Jeep Wagoneer. This thing came out looking exactly like what I had in mind. I don't think it could have came out any cooler. So happy with it. I hope you guys dig it as much as I do. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and comment below and let me know what you think of it. The idea for this one is to kind of give it the 80s kind of old school, big, heavy 4x4 look, and then also to kind of pay homage to the old Real Riders that Hot Wheels did back in the 80s. This Jeep right here was kind of what I used for some inspiration. This was the Jeep that Hot Wheels made in the 80s with the metallic brown with the same wheels on it. That was kind of the inspiration for this one. So basically we did a wheel swap on it. The wheels that I sourced off of this A-Team van, we saved the van, just put the wheels off the Jeep back on here, and it didn't go to total waste. Cleaned them up, they look really good. Then we gave this thing a repaint, a really nice dark root beer metallic. Added those cool 4x4 decals on the back in gold, and then the gold eagle on the hood. Detailed out the grill, super nice detailing on that. Got that all detailed out, rear bumper, tail lights, headlights. Detailed out our oil pan and transmission. Really awesome. Did the roof rack out, but just overall super happy with this one. I think it came out really sweet. Hit that subscribe button, go check out the channel for tons of other cool content. Hit the like button, comment below, let me know what you think. Stick around for a few more pictures of the Jeep. Otherwise, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Until next time, get out working your own projects, get those hands dirty and greasy, stay cool, and we'll catch you cats on the next one. Thanks for watching.